I hope you guys can see what I'm looking at because that's important. All right, so in this slide, again, you guys can follow along with the slides that you have. So we're going to be focusing on emphasizing content words. And again, we saw in the video what content words were, and they're mainly verbs, they're mainly adjectives, adverbs, and things of that nature. So with the emphasizing the focused word in these sentences, the ones that you're going to see, they're underlined. Each one of these words is a different category of content word, kind of like the ones we mentioned in, or that were mentioned in the video. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to listen to the sentence and hear how the focus is emphasized. All right. Or how the focused words are emphasized. My cat eats fish. My cat eats fish. So fish is the most important information in this sentence, right? That's what we want people to know. My cat eats fish. Cat, you can kind of hear it's a little emphasized. It's kind of like there in the middle, but really the main point of the sentence is the one that's emphasized, and that is the focus word, or what we want the listener to focus on. He loves it, right? He loves it. The main point is that he loves. Loves is, which is the main verb, obviously in this case, but that is what provides the most information in the sentence. Everything else is kind of like a little bit less, right? But only fresh fish, right? But only fresh fish. So the most important part, or the most important piece of information, is that the fish is fresh. That's why you see kind of the shift that goes to the adjective and then to the fish, right? This shift. He eats slowly. He eats slowly, because that's the most important thing that the sentence is trying to tell us, that how slowly he eats, or the speed in which he eats. I don't know why he eats that way. I don't know why he eats that way. Why has the most emphasis, followed by eats, right? I don't know why he eats that way. You can see it kind of trails off at he eats, right? But really what we're trying to say is why. That's the question we are asking. So the focus words in a sentence is the most stressed words, okay? So on the other side, we have the words that were emphasized in the sentence you just learned are content words, and there are examples, and the followings are example of content words, right? In nouns, you have cat, bus, a bus, glasses, really any noun. Main verb, run, read, eat. Adverb, suddenly, carefully, slowly. Adjectives, fresh, green, confused. Questions, who, what, how. All right. And again, the point that I'm trying to make here is that the emphasized content word is the one that provides, or the focus word is the one that provides the most information.